Hi, what's your name?
Jagadish.
Jagadish. So I understand you volunteer here.
Yeah.
So how often do you come?
I'm coming every weekend on Saturday now to volunteer at the food truck.
Okay, and why do you volunteer?
It gives as a kind of service to God. I like to find God through. I like to see God through service. So that's my way of reaching God.
Okay, and where do you work?
I work at Cognizant as a vendor to Microsoft.
Okay, very good. Anything specific you want to call out about our food truck?
It's a great. Even when you volunteer, it's here. If you interact with the people, you serve. It's a really great experience. Yeah, I would really looking forward for the next week.
Thank you.